Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn how to design a WordPress website. In the previous session we have learned that what are the different platforms which will help us in creating the WordPress website, which is free of cost, and also the paid platform which will help you to create a WordPress website. And also we have learned in the last video that what is the difference between a WordPress.org and a .com, and also we have learned about what is WordPress and how this platform is benefitable for the businessman or individuals or for any bloggers or for creating any brand. So today we are going to use the free platforms, and we are going to learn WordPress website designing. So this we have learned in the last session about the free WordPress hosting. So for the free WordPress hosting, we are going to use these two platforms, www.000webhost.com. So we are going to use these two platforms, and app.infinity.free.net. We are going to use these two platforms, and we'll understand how to create a WordPress website. Now these are the two platforms where 00.webhost.com. Now this web host basically is powered by the Hostinger. You know that Hostinger is one of the company which provides the hosting, and this company not provides the free hosting, which provides the paid hosting. However, the Hostinger this web host has certain plans. Okay, we have one plans where they are offering the free hosting with certain limitations. Apart from that web host, we have another platform which is free.net. These are the two platforms which will help you in creating the free website. Now I'll be using one of the platform to creating the website, and I'll explain you how you can install the WordPress in this platform. So first of all, I'm going to create the website. I'm going to create an account in this infinity.net. So for creating the account, I have to write my email address. I have to write a password. I have to write a confirm password. Then I have to write I am not a robot. Now you are going to you have to fill all this, and you have to do a create new account. Now since I have already created a login account for this platform, so I'll be directly signing in. I'll show you how this platform look like and what exactly you have to do. So I have already now registered in this platform infinityfree.net. So you have to now register, as I told you, that you write an email ID, your name, and your other details. And on your email ID, you are going to get the link from the infinity.net, and from your email ID, you make sure that you give a proper email ID where you get your email. And you need to just check after registering that you have received the link from this infinity.net, and that link will going to help you to activate this infinityfree.net account. So now since I've already logged in, I'll show you how it works. So basically now you can see that there are a lot of option over here, that home, account, free SSL certificates, add-on, domain checker, lot of things are mentioned over here. So this platform is a free and a paid both. So basically if you want to apply for the free hosting and free domain, you can apply for that. Okay, so what you need to do now, you have to go on the accounts. You can see I've logged in into this in infinity.free.net, and I am on the account page. Here you can see the account. Now you have to go to the create. You can see on the right hand side of this website, you will see there's a create account. So once you go on the create account, you will see there is one page it will open, and where it will ask you to create a host account. So host account, it means a hosting account. Okay, so this is asking you that you want to create a custom domain, or you want to go for a subdomain. So I'll go for a custom domain. So I have to search. First of all, I'll see that what is the custom domain. The custom domain, suppose I'll mention whatever domain I want. Suppose I want Aman digital AC. So I'll search the domain where this domain is there or not. Now this domain is not matching. I'll search for ac.com. Sorry, so you have to type the extension also. Now you will see this is asking for the subdomain fields required. So subdomain also I have to field first. So subdomain I have to enter one. AC. Okay. So guys, now you have to type the Aman Digital AC. So now you can, these are this platform is giving you the free extension now here. So free extension, you can, they are giving you free extension like .42web.io, epzy.com and rf.gd. So I can select any of the free domain extension. So now here you will search for this. So they will now this domain is available. Aman digital ac dot rf dot gd dot is available. So now this basically what is this domain last extension is giving? This is the free domain they are providing you. So guys, I would suggest that if you want to create a website just for a practice purpose, then this extension is okay. Otherwise you have to go and buy a paid domain, and for that you have to log into the Namecheap and you can buy the domain from there. So that I'll explain you in my next session, that how you can use the paid hosting and the paid domain, and how you can create the website using that. I would suggest, just if you don't want to go for a practice session, just you want to create a website and you want to have a permanent domain, then better it's suggested that you go for a paid hosting and the paid domain. So now we will learn first of all that how to create a website using the free hosting and free domain, and later on you will learn that as well. So now as I mentioned on the previous first step, that Aman digital AC, what we did, I'll explain you again. Then we have gone to epz.com. There are a lot of extension mentioned over here, so you can type any, you can select any extension, doesn't matter. So I'll search for the domain, whether domain is there. So it's saying domain is there. So now if you want account label website for Aman digital ac.epz.com, account name, if you want to write the account username, that's okay. Otherwise, if you want to give the password, I can give the password. I'll give the password. Okay, and now I'll type I am not a robot. Now once I'll click the I'm not a robot, I have to create an account. So once I've click on create an account, you will see that this infinityfree.net has provided me the two options. Okay, now my account has been created, so now I am eligible to create a free website using this infinityfree.net. My domain name has been created, and now I'll get the control panel, open the control panel, the view clients area. So here we have to create an open control panel. So you will get this control panel now before that you will get a confirmation. Important notice, the hi EPZ27, this is my account number. Okay, they have created to notify that this to notify you of the changes to service, account status changes, offers, and all other things are mentioned. So please click I approve to below to allow us. Now you will click on I approve, then you will see that panel now loaded. So you will see this is the control panel. So this is the control panel. You will receive the control panel for creating the website. Now this control panel is going to create your WordPress website, and there are a lot of options over here, like update the contact emails, account upgrades, and FTP account, directory privacy, outline. A lot of things are there. You don't have to go in searching any of the option over here. So these are the lot of technical things which in the beginning of your journey you don't have to get into all this. You just have to create a simple WordPress website. You have to understand the control panel, because this is similar control panel you will get with any other hosting service provider. Okay, let it be you creating a the website using the HostGator, or you're creating by Bluehost or any XYZ company. Okay, you will get a similar control panel. Okay, so here now we are going to use this control panel. We are going to create a website. Now, so create a website. We will see this website designing on our next session. So before that, I would suggest that you please create your account using this free platform, and you create a login ID and a password, and you at least you reach till this control panel. You should have your own control panel. So on the next session you will be able to understand the step by step whatever I'll guide you on the next video, and that will help you to understand each and everything of the website designing and understanding the control panel only when you itself has your own control panel, and when you create the account in infinityfree.net. So I would request first to create the infinityfree.net login ID and password of infinityfree.net account. Okay, and reach to this page. Okay, and on our next session I will explain you how to create a website using this particular free platform. So guys, I hope you have liked today's session, and I'll see you on the next session and explain you the detail about the website designing using WordPress.com and with this free infinityfree.net. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video.